How to use eBay price research feature. To use the eBay price research feature, first of all, go ahead and launch the web browser of your choice on your device. From here, all you have to do is tap on this search bar, then type eBay Seller Hub. Now, once you're here within the Seller Hub, proceed to log into your account. Then, click on the Research tab in the main navigation menu bar once you've logged in. Then select the Product Research from the drop-down menu to open the Core Price Lookup engine. Configure your search filters. You simply have to type the exact product name, brand, model number, or UPC code into the search bar. Then select the time frame and also apply item condition filters. And analyze the pricing metrics by simply reviewing the average sold price and inspect the shipping breakdown as well as study individual transactions. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.